What's the best next step if a tenant vacates on the day, provided the 60-day notice, but didn't pay remaining months? Well, this one's easy. Let's say you give someone a 60-day notice to vacate. You say, we're here in the month of December, and I'm going to terminate your lease 60 days from now. We're going to make it effective the end of February. And you send out that notice in the month of December. And then January 1st comes and they don't pay rent. Well, the truth is, you don't have to wait until the end of February before you start anything. We talked earlier about the opening of the door. If the tenant opens the door with some other breach, in this case, non-payment in the month of January, issue a notice to vacate for non-payment of rent in the month of January. This is easy. In fact, it'll be much easier for you to prove your case due to non-payment than to wait for holdover. Along with skipping out on unpaid rent, it's possible that they'll just leave in the middle of the process and you won't get multiple months of unpaid rent. The first month that rent goes unpaid, send a notice to vacate. A 3-day notice, that's always a bigger deal than holdover. Again, you send a 60-day notice, and the first month of that, within that notice time, they don't pay rent, issue a notice to vacate. Very easy, and begin the eviction process if they have not vacated within your 3 days.